How to make shit ton of money in the year 2025. This video is going to change the way you think, dig deep into some real stuff. So watch the whole video. Now 2025 isn't just another year, it's your year, guys. The year where you stop watching others' lives and everything, their dreams and everything. You start living, building your own empire. I've tried you guys should be tired of being stuck, tired of excuses, ready to crush your goals. This is for you. This year is for you. Okay, it's not about luck, connection, shortcut. It's about mindset, it's about discipline, it's about relentless execution. Let's talk about how you guys can make shit ton of money this year. So watch this whole video till the end. First of all, make sure you have liked this video. We are aiming for 100 likes for this particular video, filled with energy. Let's get things done. First thing, mindset is everything. Eliminate distraction, everyone. Stop wasting your time scrolling through Instagram, binging watch series, endless parties. Each hour wasted is your money lost. Every single minute counts. Your time should have value. Your time should have value. Your time should have value. Teach your brain that. Set clear goals. Write down exactly what you want to achieve this year and be very specific, guys, with this thing. Write like, I want to earn 1 lakh by the end of December 2025. I want to hit 10 lakhs. I want to hit 50 lakhs. I want to hit 1 CR by the end of December 2025. Make sure your goal is specific. Now, I'm telling my goals. These are the type of goals I've been setting for the past few years and I've been completing them, manifesting them. We'll get to the manifestation part as well. But yes, writing clear goal is important because one goal, for example, you want to crack IIT, you want to crack NEET maybe, or you want to become a YouTuber, content creator, you want to become a maybe a gamer, a professional level gamer, you want to go to esports, anything that you want to do in your life. You want to become a painter, you want to write a book. That goal should be right in front of you every day. You wake up, that goal is right there. Follow that goal. Clear goal should be there. Embrace solitude. Now, this is the third part of mindset. We are digging deep into mindset. Embrace solitude. This year, it's you, your goddamn room right here, and your goals. That is what you need. Cut out the noise. Let the word think that you have disappeared. Cut out the noise. Let the word think you have disappeared, guys, completely, while you work on your comeback. Your comeback should be strong enough that you guys can tell later on that, yeah, I have done this, I have completed this, and now I go to stage number 2, I move to level number 2. For that, the comeback should come from here, should come from the mindset. Your mindset needs to be strong enough. Okay, coming to the chapter number 2. So chapter number 2 says, stop consuming, start producing. Now hear me out. Stop consuming, start producing. What do you mean by that? Detox your mind. We'll talk about two things in this one: detoxing of your mind and production and consumption. So yes, detox your mind. First of all, guys, take a break from constant consumption of social media, news, gossip. What's happening there? Market is falling. What is the news about regarding this? Now, traders, if you are still stuck into this loop of, if you get a loss, what's the news? If you get a profit, oh yeah, I did the profit because, yeah, my strategy was good. But if you did a loss, what's the news? If you're still stuck in this loop, please exit this loop right now. Exit this loop. Forget about what is the news, what's happening out there. And even if you apply this in real life, real stuff, if you apply all these things, you will be able to produce a better version of yourself. Cut the gossip, cut all this nonsense of social media. Okay, fill your brain with the right things, and that is books. Book is the right formation. It is the right thing to it is the right food for your brain. Right food for your brain. Okay, you are eating good food, that's perfectly fine, but your brain, it need good food as well. And for that, I, my friend, I'm making a very beautiful book known as Trading is an Emotion for you guys. It will be released soon, but that book is not only for those people who read books. That book is especially for you who has never touched a single book or who has never finished a single book. Make sure you make this a resolution in your life that I'm gonna buy Apoorv's book and I'm going to finish it. I'm going to buy Apoorv's book and I'm going to finish it. That should be your resolution this year. And if you do that, maybe there are some changes in your life. Actually, maybe you read 10 books after that. So this is a positive thing in your life that will happen. Positive, right? So yes, when the book comes, you go for it. Now, coming to skill building, maybe you guys can build your skills in all this time. You guys can add and watch all this. See, I'm not saying do not watch anything on social media. Watch the content that has gravity. Okay, and you guys have this right up at the top of your body, right? To analyze which content is wasting your time and which is adding value. Okay, so produce more. That is the most important thing, guys. Nowadays, start creating instead of consuming, whether it's content, product, service, something out there. The word rewards creator, not consumer. Consumer are just consuming, and they are getting lazy. They're not doing anything. The content creator, the word is filled with content creators right now. And 10 years after this, a decade after all this video that I'm producing, a decade after this video, you will see how beautiful the content creation word will be after 10 years. Okay, it will be at the top. And if you're not a part of it today, you will be part of content creation later. So better you do it now. You start doing it now. You start creating content now. Maybe make a YouTube channel, maybe start selling a course. People will say तुम तो कोर्स बेचते हो. पीपल विल से तुम्हारा तो यूट्यूब चैनल है, फिर तुम कोर्स बेचते हो, सबका एक ही ड्रामा है, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. बट यू ट्राई दिस माई फ्रेंड, यू ट्राई दिस आउट. Make a course, set up a website. Okay, anything that you know, anything that you're good at. Maybe you are good at your coding skills, maybe you're good at trading, maybe you are good at any single thing. Okay, set up a YouTube channel, start producing videos, engage with your audience, deliver content every single time. Okay, do not get late. Be very judicious with your work, be disciplined, create a course, set up a team, and then you put some input cost, you create a website, you launch your course, you put up a banner, you put engagements with your team along with the audience that you have created, guide everyone, and then you sell the course. All these things, it will tell you that how difficult the path is, but it will open your eyes. It will open your eyes. It's very easy to say tum course बेचते हो versus you do it. You do it and then tell me that how many people are buying it, bro. How many people are buying it? And if this thing of yours work, see, it's not only about course. It could be anything. Maybe you did a really great job and then maybe you become a part of some company and you're contributing to that company. Okay, so the same thing applies every single way. Okay, later after watching this video, maybe if you do all these things, later come back to the comment section and put your comment that yeah, I did this. Or maybe today only put the comment, I did it, I am starting it today. That is important. Now, third thing, guys, point number 3, manifestation plus action equal to result. Manifestation, if you can see it here and if you can speak about it, it will happen. Conor McGregor said it, and almost every single video of mine I say this quote. Why? Because I believe in this thing. I think that this has something to do with nature. This has something to do with our reality, that if you manifest something and you act on this, it will happen. And if you have the guts to say about it in front of thousands of people, you are something else, guys. You have the power, courage, the energy that you persist. It's something else. Now believe in yourself, manifest your goals, guys, but don't stop there. Belief is the first step, and action, it's the fuel. Belief and put the fuel is action. Combine both to create the unstoppable momentum that you want to be in life. Work relentlessly, work until you are tired. Most of the people will say no, I want to create a work life balance, blah blah blah. Guys, work until you have achieved something, like anything, but you should be working on something that you like. Okay, if you're working for someone else, then you should definitely work for the least amount of hours that you can, so that you can build up your life. But if you're working for yourself, you should and you should work till you faint. That's what my rule is. If I'm working for someone else, I'll work for the least amount of time, because it is just a waste of time. Okay, the guy, the company, or anything that you are working in, okay, it is just giving you money. You are just working there because you have some talent equal to that money. And when you get that money, maybe you can move on to the life where you want to be your own boss. And when you become your own boss, you want to be telling yourself this particular thing, that yeah, I can work anytime now, but you have to work. It's not like I'm just sitting here, I'm doing nothing, okay, because I'm my own boss, I don't want to do anything. Nothing will happen after that. Okay, you will end up losing everything, and then maybe after a period of time, then again you will start finding a new job. That हो नहीं रहा था यार, फिर से एक जॉब ही कर लेते हैं. So it's very important to work until you faint. Yes, it sounds extreme, but nothing great ever came from comfort zones, guys. Wake up the next day, do it again. Consistency beats talent. I believe in this thing. If you do the same, like the video. Consistency beats talent every single time. I do not care about how talented one person is, but if that person is disciplined, consistent, people will start watching his content. People will start giving him some limelight because he is consistent. People will think यार आज भी आज भी आज भी आज भी आज भी. But if अगर उसके अंदर एक talent है, maybe वो तुम्हें आज देख रहा है, कल नहीं देखे. Talented people forget about, but consistent people बार 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 करो. व्यूज नहीं आ रहे, कोई बात नहीं, फिर से करो. मेरे शॉर्ट्स अगर आप लोग देखते हो, I'm producing my shorts every single day. Day 1 of my life, day 2 of my life, day 3 of my life. 31 days हो चुके हैं, और today I'll be producing day 32 or 33 of my life. And see, some videos are getting 1k, 2k, 3k views also. Some videos are getting 5k views also. Some videos are getting 200, 300 views also. Okay, so ये 200, 300 views जब आते हैं, so what do I think about them? Nothing. Because it makes me feel good that I am sharing consistently. Okay, there will be a time when I will start getting a lot of views and people will ask me कैसे किया. Consistency, bro. Fourth thing, create a bulletproof plan. ठीक है, जैसे एक स्नाइपर एंट्री होती है ट्रेडिंग में. इन ट्रेडिंग यू गो फॉर द स्नाइपर एंट्रीज, जस्ट लाइक दैट यू गो फॉर अ बुलेट प्रूफ प्लान. व्हाट इज दैट बुलेट प्रूफ प्लान? Take a sheet, white sheet. Why white sheet? Because white gives you peace in your mind that yeah, everything gone. And then on the sheet of paper you start writing with a black pen. Okay, write with a black pen or a red pen, please. Break your big goals into smaller actionable steps. And for example, you guys can, I want to earn 10 lakhs this quarter maybe, or learn one high income skill. I want to network with 5 big peoples. Now networking doesn't have to be, see, it's not, if you are following a very big creator, something like that, that's good, perfect. But can you network with him? Can you connect with him? Now see, I do not call myself a big creator, and I am not. I'm a small creator, but I see myself as a big creator. Okay, and at this point also I connect with people, a lot of people. If you ask me how many people do you talk with every single day, I talk around 10, 15 people, new people, every single day in DMs, on YouTube comments, on TradingView comments, anywhere. Okay, mostly on Telegram. I connect with new 10 to 15 people. That's my range, that's my capacity also, and that's my range. Okay, but it's beautiful to get around with these type of people. Okay, but for you guys, it's really great that you guys have me. Okay, I can tell you the map if you want to ask me. Okay, you guys can directly connect with me if you want to. Telegram's link is given in the description of this box. You guys just have to click on the link. It's a free link. Click on it, join it. My Telegram channel, comment section, the comment is pinned of my Telegram. Join it, ask me anything, I will talk with you. So out of 5 people, 1 connection is done. Now maybe you get much better people. Okay, it's not about how better you get, how good people you get. No, it's about just the connectivity. You might just get something new from me. Okay, something like that. So that is what I'm talking about. Now after that, you have to save. If you are starting earning something, save and invest everything. 50% of your saving, that is completely your own choice. You guys can go with 60, 70, 80, 90% of your earnings. You guys can go into the investment purpose or anything. That is your own choice, your own idea. Okay, and track a progress, guys. Keep a journal, please. I know I've been making these videos for a long period of time, but nobody is making journals. Start making journals, start making spreadsheet, Excel files. Celebrate small wins, guys. That is very important. And put those wins in these Excel sheets, journals, and everywhere. That, yeah, I won today, I won. Even a small win, you have to write it. But that small win does not mean the game is over. The small win gives you a confidence. Okay, so small wins are very important. Now we talk about the fifth part. Detox your surroundings. Cut toxic people in your life. First of all, distance yourself from anyone who doesn't support your goal, anyone who is saying you cannot do this, or maybe this will never happen, or maybe this thing cannot. So if there is a big cross, or think about your future, think about blah blah blah. Okay, someone is saying in that manner, just tell them to shut their mouth. Negative energy is a luxury you cannot afford. Negative energy is a luxury you cannot afford this year. Surround yourself with winners. Find mentors, friends, trading buddies, maybe, or even communities that we have already that push you to grow. In the end, I would just like to say that 2025 is the year you go all in, guys. You go all in. You go all in. The year you wake up every day with a purpose so strong that nothing, no one can derail you. Write your goals. Write your goals maybe on this type of piece of paper, or maybe on the Excel sheet, any way you want. But cut the noise, guys. Cut out the noise. Work until there's nothing left. This year is about the word. It's about you, your goals, your discipline, your empire. Stop waiting for the perfect time. The time is now. So are you ready to make 2025 the year you will remember forever? If yes, comment down. Thanks a lot.